Hello everyone, hope you all guys are well. You guys know what happens if a lava put on the top of bulletproof glass and what would happen if an iPhone was put in liquid nitrogen. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about the top 5 experiments that could be pretty amazing. So watch this video till the end and don't try any experiment at home because these experiments are performed by professionals. Number 1. Coca-Cola versus Mentos. If you put a Mentos in a bottle of Coca-Cola, then Coca-Cola starts come out of the bottle. You all must know this, but what happens when Coca-Cola is put into a large glass jar, and a layer of glass should be placed on the top of it, and a jar should be placed with Mentos inside. And as soon as this clear glass is removed, all the Mentos inside the Coca-Cola will go, and how it will be come out you can see in this video. Number 2 is iPhone versus liquid nitrogen. If you put anything in this liquid nitrogen, it freezes instantly. Now let's add some toothpaste on this liquid nitrogen. You can see how it got frozen. Now we put a whole tube of toothpaste inside it and see it starts to break on its own everywhere. Now it's time to put the iPhone in this liquid nitrogen. As soon as you put the iPhone in it, it freezes it in a short time and starts breaking automatically if you grab it anywhere. Number 3 is hydraulic press versus hammer. A hydraulic press can crush anything, but let's see what happens when a hammer is placed under the hydraulic press. Now put some glasses under this hydraulic press and see if they break or not. Now let's keep two metal bottles on top of it. Some of glasses above have been broken by the way of these metal balls. Now put a hammer on the top of these glasses and then apply pressure and see as soon as the pressure was applied it broken into pieces. And finally it's hammer's turn. By placing the hammer under this hydraulic press and applying pressure, it began to bend a little bit from the top and bottom, but it didn't break. As soon as a weight of 380 tons is put on it, it's break in the middle. At number 4 is hot ice. You must have seen such an experiment before. It is very cool to see. If you put your hand in this hot ice starts freezing your hand. Try this experiment at your home. To do this experiment, you should first put baking soda and vinegar in a pot and cook it on low flame for 30 minutes. As soon as it's become powder like pica, you have to add little water to it and then cook it. Now take out the water in glass or jar. Now if you put the remaining powder on any stick and put it in the water, you will see that it will automatically become like a flower. As soon as you put your hand in this water, it ice starts freeze on top of your hand. Number 5 is Gillum versus blue light, a material that melts with even mild heat. First, it is melted and then it is shaped into a full structure in the exchange. And as soon as it's melt into that shape, now put the blue light on it and see how quickly it starts to melt. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe.